Hi, this is Andrew with TentCraft, and behind me is one of our American-made heavy-duty netted drone enclosures. We've been manufacturing these drone enclosures for several different use cases, from trade show displays to STEM initiatives for schools. These are also really popular for drone soccer, a growing e-sport around the world. We customize these enclosures in a number of different sizes. They come with a standard head clearance of 9 feet 6 inches, but can be extended depending on your needs. What separates these netted drone enclosures from similar products on the market is the ease of setup. It's built using our heavy-duty pop-up frame, which can deploy very quickly with a team of 4 to 6 people. And when you install the net, we use something very simple, bungee cords that just attach to the thick part of this net, wrap around. Once you get all corners and sides, we have great tension, and you have nothing to worry about if one of your drone products were to bump into that net. Another advantage of the TentCraft solution is that we can fully custom print your school or your organization's branding on the valance and really personalize the whole experience.